Alrighty, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to week 4. So this week we're going to actually start getting into residential design and talking about wood frame systems and residential roof types. We'll also get into residential floor systems as well, but probably not this week. So the first thing I'll have on week 4 is the wood frame systems PowerPoint, and that's going to go along with activity 2.1.1 wood frame systems assignment. So you will be utilizing this PowerPoint to answer this assignment just like we've done in the past. This assignment will hopefully make it more clear about what wood frame systems are and all the components of wood frame systems. So when I talk about wood frame systems, I mean the skeleton of a residential home. So I'm talking about the flooring and all the floor joists, the walls, the window openings, what is comprised of window openings, all the different components there, what makes up your roof. So this is just all those parts in a wood frame system. And then you'll fill out this assignment along with it, and then I have some specific directions that go along with that. Once you're done those two, you'll move on to residential roof types. Now, I don't have an assignment for this, so you're just going to turn in a note sheet for it. It's not too terribly long. It looks long, but I promise it isn't just like the other ones. There's a lot of slides you really don't have to take notes on. But I do want you to be aware of the different types of roofs that are out there that can be used on not only residential, but commercial buildings as well. It then goes into breaking down what's involved in a roof structure itself. It talks about different materials and coverings on a roof. And then a lot of these slides are just identifying the different types of roofs so that you can get familiar with that. That's why I said it wasn't too terribly long. You'll turn in a notes check for that, just like you've been doing. So if you are a handwritten type of person, make sure that those notes are very clear and that I can read them. And if you prefer to type, you would just attach the typed document that you use. Then I've got this roof parts link to a website. I find this just really helpful if you're still struggling with the different parts of a roof. I would like you to go over this with yourself and just check it out and read the different anatomy of the roof. So it labels it all the way up to, it looks like 14. Talks about the roof ridge, the ridge vent, flashing, hip, roof deck, underlayment, all those things. So just become familiar with those. And then finally, the last thing that you will see in Schoology is the floor planning website. So normally for this class, we would be using Revit. Unfortunately, Revit is not available for the types of computers that you've been given either by the school or at home. Now, I might be incorrect when I say your at-home computer, because your at-home computer might be powerful enough to run Revit. And if that is the case, you're welcome to check it out. I think you can get a free download of it by using your CVS school email. But this website is basic, but it does the gist of what we needed to do. It's a floor planning website that we will be utilizing throughout the school year. And we'll be setting up accounts either in class, or I'll have you do it at home if you're fully at home or virtual. But this will at least allow us to practice floor planning and things like that. At the end of this week, I will throw in another assignment, so I'll probably update this video, having you create a basic floor plan for me using this website so that you can become familiar with all of its different applications. So that is what I have for you this week. And we will go over it again in class, but if you don't pay attention, watch this video. All right, have a good day.